Welcome to the New York Harbor Railroad September 2012 construction update. We're sitting here at St. John's Park. The ties have been painted, the switch machines have been worked on so that they're all throwing. And one of the things that we're doing is the reason why we're painting it is to unify all the track. Alright, here's the double crossover that didn't change. Two turnouts got removed from right in here. So this follows the prototype a little bit better. Continuing down here, there originally was the track that was here, and there was a track that was here. That's been removed, and we have these two single tracks that are going in. This is feeding Cudahy and Armour and the main line. There's a crossover over here on the main line. That's new. That's all been put in. This is the new lift out section, complete with the double crossover that was originally on the old lift out section, and a new switch here that'll take you over into Cudahy. And this double crossover feeds Armour, and then on this end it feeds Nabisco and Merchants. And here's the main line. Now it's a steep grade, as the prototype had it, going into the Nabisco Merchants lead. There's the number 5 turnout, and then this is the piece that connects to what will be Nabisco here. And this is what's new today. Yes, it's level. It is a brand new section, which is the Merchant's refrigeration. Merchant refrigeration originally on the original model used to only hold 3 cars. This iteration of it now holds 8 cars, as you can see right there on the 2 tracks. There's a custom-made curved turnout that's sitting over there. That's going to get a switch machine, one of Duncan McRae's servo switch machines, and that's going to be I believe he calls them a singlet, and that's going to be actuated from right about here. And there's going to be a street that's going to go across here. There's another piece of 1/2-inch plywood. It's going to go over here, and that's going to simulate New York City street. This is going to be a big building that's here. It's going to be for Nabisco, which is this siding in the back here. This one lost some cars. It originally was 13. It's down to, I believe, 8 or 9 cars now. And this Nabisco here, which eventually is going to go in, only used to hold 3. It's now going to hold 5. So I'm going to pick up a couple of cars here and there. The other thing that changed here is that there, where the wire ties are here, you can't see it that well. I'm going to move the wire ties. That's an automated double crossover. There is another Duncan McRae invention here, which is this quad servo controller, and this is it. And basically, one push of a button, all 4 turnouts turn at the same time. And there's going to be a secondary switch on the other side where that's where the ballast is over there, but there's going to be another switch over there. So whatever side of the double crossover, you'll be able to throw it. So we've got a lot of work to go for the October op session. I'm hoping we'll still be able to have it. Another change here is that these sidings, both for Cudahy and Armour, only originally held 5 cars. The new siding now holds 6 cars. So it's going to be a little bit more different in the dispersal of cars, and I'm looking forward to getting this operational as soon as I can. Again, I'm trying to get ready for the October 5th op session. One of the things that's going to change is originally with the track bowing out, there was not enough room to put the canyon type scene, because this is an elevated railroad that runs through the middle of Manhattan. These are some false fronts that I've just put up to give the flavor of what's going to go here. This is going to be building here. It's called Atlantic Paper. It's going to basically run from this side of the beam here and go into about right over here where this crossover is, and there'll be a street scene looking down the street over here, and there'll be the Cudahy Armour building, which should just end right around here, right where this line is, and that will be the end of that building. So that's all inside of a building in there. And this looks like it's going to be coming along, and we should have a lot of fun with it. Some changes to Lehigh Valley, but you'll see that in the next video. Basically, we added 6 inches to Lehigh Valley, and that'll give the operators an additional boxcar worth of length to switch out the west side of the yard, because originally they could only move 2 boxcars at a time. Now they'll be able to move 3. That's it. Thank you for watching, and look forward to the next installment of construction updates on the New York Harbor Railroad.